Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding.
United States rhythm and blues pianist and singer and composer, born in 1928. Antoine Domino, Fats Domino. A mask covering the upper part of the face but with holes for the eyes. Eye mask, half mask. A loose hooded cloak worn with a half mask as part of a masquerade costume. A small rectangular block used in playing the game of dominoes. The face of each block has two equal areas that can bear 0 to 6 dots.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.